Assalamualaikum. Good morning, everyone. I'm Sara Imtiaz Farooq from Anjuman Islam Janjira Degree College of Science, Guru Janjira. I'm here to present my view on the role of Police Department in COVID-19 pandemic situation. I'll start it by giving an introduction of COVID-19 disease. The novel human coronavirus disease was first reported in Wuhan, China, and then subsequently spread all over the world. World Health Organization initially termed this new virus as 2019 novel coronavirus on 12 January 2020, and then they officially named this disease as coronavirus disease COVID-19 on 12 February 2020. Later, the International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses has designated this disease as severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 based on the taxonomy and phylogenetic analysis. The virus is highly contagious and it gets rapidly and continuously spread among the human population. First case of COVID-19 in India was reported on 30 January 2020. Now, I would like to share the great efforts, the hard workings of the police department during this pandemic situation. During this unprecedented COVID-19 pandemic, there were many needs arising at the police department. Police foundations have stepped up to help the law enforcement in many ways. They have helped the departments by achieving the public safety goals, as well as in order to approach to the problem, they have also accepted both the financial and in-kind support from the interested donor. The flu is reported to have arrived in India from the Bombay port, as India stops in its track to break the COVID-19 pandemic chain. The police force, as one of the essential services, is again at the forefront of this Herculean task, which is to enforce this unprecedented pandemic nationwide lockdown. There are some actions which were taken by the police department in order to prevent the people, in order to provide the safety to common public from this pandemic situation. Purchasing the protective gear such as the infrared thermometers, nitrile gloves, masks, hand sanitizing wipes and hand sanitizers. Police officers were working to supply departments with the hygiene kits, towels, cell phone chargers, etc. Police officers, Indian police wear the coronavirus shaped helmet in order to spread the awareness of COVID-19. In this picture, we can see that the officers are wearing coronavirus shaped helmet in order to spread the awareness of COVID-19. Police trying to punish the people in order to prevent them to stay at home, not coming outside in the lockdown situation. Police were also providing parents and teachers with the workbooks as well as with the color pages from officer-friendly program for homeschooling. In this picture, you can also see the police were giving punishment to the public in order to prevent them to stay at home, not coming outside in the lockdown situation. Police were also distributing the food to the migrant labor dealing with this national emergency. Police can be seen as working on Janta curfew when the cases rises above 300 of COVID-19. Policing during this pandemic has neither specific guidelines nor well-defined rules in shaping the responses. As when the lockdown is announced, police officers risk their lives on the streets to ensure that country's 1.3 billion people stay safe and indoors. This is done by advising the violators or using the police force to vacate the roads, drawing the Lakshman Rekhas in order to keep the distance between the people which were standing near the shops, bazaars. Then police were also standing at the Naka points through day and night to watch the cars. Police spreading the awareness about the social distancing, disciplining some violators for offending the lockdown orders, and as well as they have also arrested foolhardy offenders. Maharashtra police seized 77,435 vehicles which were found to be moving on the road by violating the strict lockdown orders. Police control rooms also handled more than 1 lakh calls from the common public in connection with the queries and complaints related to the COVID-19 pandemic situation said by the official. In this pandemic, some of the police personnel were also get infected by the diseases. Maharashtra is the worst affected state in the country with more coronavirus cases than the original epicenter, China. Till now, over 2,557 police personnel were infected with this disease and 30 of them, including an officer, have been died, said by the Maharashtra police official. Total COVID-19 cases in the force stand at 2,562 and the death toll stands at 34 by the ANI reported. During this lockdown pandemic, where it is to impose the spread of coronavirus in the country, there have been 258 instances of assault on Maharashtra police personnel. Nearby 86 policemen were injured in those attacks, as well as 45 healthcare takers which were also doing their duty, which were dealing and detecting the coronavirus positive patient. They have been also assaulted by the common public. Nearly 38 people were arrested by the Maharashtra police for an unprovoked assault on the policemen who were doing their duty. Since the lockdown, Maharashtra police have registered 1,22,484 cases of offences under the Indian Penal Code section 188, and the policemen have also arrested 28,820 people for not following the lockdown orders properly. According to the reports which are given in this slide, 82 positive cases of the coronavirus were also reported among the State Reserve Police Force personnel deployed in the city, as well as Mumbai Police on the Tuesday said that there are 1,871 personal cases of the police officers who were infected by this coronavirus, where 53 of them are recovered and 21 have lost their life unfortunately. Now I would like to conclude my presentation over here with some of the points. After we overcome from the pandemic, which will surely happen, we must carry out a comprehensive evaluation of the world's ability to maintain the stability when faced with the similar challenges in the future. Where policing in our thought is just a term in which the police have to prevent the crimes, where they have to maintain the laws and orders. But this time is a great, and there is a growing realization that the policing is not just only about this, but the policing is just more than that. We are pushing the envelope. We have built the public trust in the police by our humanitarian response to the COVID-19. Indian police officers are more feared and hardly trusted by the common public, but this coronavirus lockdown has brought out a less than compassionate side of them. The hard workings, the great loads and the great efforts efforts of the police officers during this crisis of ours should not go unrecognized. We should have to applaud and encourage them for being a crucial interface between the government and the public in this national emergency. Everyone wants to turn the page on COVID-19 as soon as possible, but the lessons are unavoidable. It is now up to each of us to decide whether these lessons are right or not. Now we have to give up our conventional thinking based on the stereotypes and finally start acting from moral perspective. After all, our best bet is the happy future for all of us who are living on this earth, which is our common home. Thank you.